Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install TeamViewer on your computer, then watch this video. So we'll go to the Microsoft Store and we will look for TeamViewer. Alright, and TeamViewer remote is here. Click on install and Windows should automatically download and install it. Alright, so Windows is installing it right now. And this is a great tool to share your work or your files and folders with your office mates or your workmates or with anybody you're working on a project with. So we'll wait for it to install. Shouldn't take long. So it is taking quite some time. So I showed you how to install TeamViewer remote, and then once it installs, open it, and then you need to create an account, or you already have an account, just sign in, and then you can use the functions to share files and to work with each other. All right, so it is installed. Click on yes. And it should take some time. So if this video helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.